Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the process of creating a customer service chatbot on FlowHunt. Before we dive in, make sure you've indexed your data sources, whether it's your website or specific documentation, through the Schedules or Documents tab. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's get started. First, we'll add the essential components to our flow. We'll begin by including the document retriever, which allows our chatbot to access your indexed data. In the Settings tab on the right, you can specify which document the bot should pull information from. Next, we'll add the prompt component. This is where you'll define the chatbot's instructions. The prompt is designed to generate accurate and relevant responses based on your knowledge sources. Be sure to customize the bot's name and your company name to fit your brand. The prompt is provided in the description below and is also displayed on the screen for you to copy. Feel free to tweak and experiment with the prompt to suit your specific needs. After setting up the prompt component, don't forget to add chat memory. This feature ensures that the chatbot can retain context, allowing it to provide relevant follow-up information if the user has additional questions. Next, we'll connect the prompt component to a text generator, enabling our flow to produce accurate and helpful responses. Finally, we'll link the prompt to the output, completing the setup. And there you have it. We've successfully created a customer service chatbot. Don't forget to add your own knowledge sources in the Schedules or Documents tab. This is covered in detail in another video, which you can find linked in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this flow, feel free to reach out or drop them in the comments section below.